Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. Hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I have come up with something very interesting. I am going to reveal the secret. I am going to show you my lipstick collection. Most of you keep on asking me what are the lipstick shades which I keep on wearing. So I thought of creating this video. I have a bunch of lipsticks sitting next to me right here which consist of liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks and crayon lipsticks. So if you're interested to know the collection and the color shades which I personally have in my collection, please keep on watching my video. I'm going to see you in the further video. Bye. I'm going to first start off with all the liquid lipsticks which I have in my collection. So the first lipstick, which is my latest buy, is the Nykaa matte liquid lipstick in the shade Jan. So I'm going to show you the bottle itself, and this is in the shade 12 Jan, which consists of 5 ml of product in it. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys. This is a very beautiful magenta pink shade. So I will swatch it for you. I'm going to start from here. It's a very beautiful pinkish and magenta pink, Rani pink I would say. Very beautiful pink. I am obsessed with my own collection. You are going to see it as the video moves further. The next liquid lipstick which I have is from Too Faced. This is in the shade Hot Pink. This is in the shade Hot Pink. So I'm going to show you. I really love the packaging of this product. A big shout out to Too Faced for creating such a beautiful, very cute pinky packaging. I'm going to swatch this. This is a similar shade to the first one which I showed you, but it has a little bit of difference, as you can see. I really love collecting lipsticks, and I get bored with lipsticks when I use it again and again. So I tend to add new lipsticks to my own collection. The next lipstick which I have for you is none other than Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Trophy Wife. Everybody's favorite, every girl's favorite shade, I would say. So I'm going to swatch it for you. You must have seen me wearing this shade in my videos. This is also in the pink family, but this is a bit mauvey pink, a deeper pink, as you can see. I would highly recommend this shade to you. The next Huda Beauty lipstick which I have, this is in the shade Material Girl. I'm going to swatch it for you. This is a very deeper purple shade, I would say. A purplish wine shade. Very beautiful on duskier skin tones and even paler skin tones, I would say. Very beautiful shade. When you're wearing something very light and if you want a bold lip, this could be the best shade you can apply. This is a very, very beautiful shade. The next liquid lipstick which I have is from Miss Claire. I have two of them. One is in the shade 15. I'm going to link all the shades down below in the description box. If you want to buy any of the shades, you can check out the description box. This is also a very beautiful soft pink shade, a very everyday kind of shade. This is buildable, as you can see. Very beautiful shade. This also falls in the pink tone category. So the next lipstick from the same brand and the same category, liquid lipstick, this is in the shade 10. This is a very beautiful maroon shade, very beautiful and very buildable. If you apply only one layer, it may appear a little red, light red, and if you build it up, it will turn to a maroon shade, as you can see. Very beautiful. This looks glossy, but it dries down super matte. It is very beautiful, everyday kind of lipstick. The next lipstick which I have is LA Girl Metallic Lipstick. This lipstick I got for free when I had purchased the LA Girl foundation. But I really love the shade. It's very beautiful. It's a metallic brown, golden brown shade. The next, my very, very used lipstick. This is from Color Bar. This is in the shade Hot Latte. Much used lipstick, and I have, as you can see from the packaging, I have thoroughly used this lipstick. I'm going to finish it soon. I'm planning to buy one more of this. I really love this shade. Everyday kind of very everyday kind of shade, and a very beautiful shade which complements all skin tones. This falls in the pinkish nude category. You must have also seen this shade in my most top 5 nude lipsticks. You must have seen this shade in that video. If you have not seen that video of mine, top 5 nude lipstick, I'm going to link it down below in the description box or somewhere here on the screen, so you can watch it if you want to buy some nude lipsticks. So let's move further. So moving on to the favorite brand and my trusted and the most beautiful brand which is booming on the internet right now, that is Smashbox. I have 4 lipsticks from their combo collection. As you can see, 4 lipsticks from Smashbox and 1 more additional miniature lipsticks from Smashbox which I got for free. So showing you the colors in this variety. These are all in the pinks and mauves and peachy shades, and this is the hot red shade. So starting off with the most talked about shade on the internet, that is Smashbox Driver Seat. I'm going to swatch it for you so you will be able to see the difference in all the shades. This is Driver Seat. I really love the applicator, and trust me, if you haven't tried liquid lipstick till now, this is the best formula you will come across in the liquid lipstick range category. I'm going to swatch it for you. This is the very beautiful coral shade, and it suits every skin tone, I would say. The next lipstick from the same category I have for you is Babe Alert. I'm going to swatch it for you. These are the miniature ones which I got for in the combos when I had purchased. One is Malvika Satlani Duo Collection and one is Shobita Dulpalia Duo Collection. This is Babe Alert. This could be a reference video for you if you are planning to buy Smashbox lipsticks, as they are available right now. The Malvika Satlani collection has again come on sale. So if you are planning to buy, this is the right time for you. And you can see the difference also in all the shades in both the collection, I would say. The next lipstick which I have is Gulabe from the Shobita Dulpalia collection, Duo lipstick collection. I'm going to swatch it for you. This is very beautiful pinkish everyday kind of shade, a mauvey pink shade, I would say. Very beautiful shade. The next lipstick from the same category is Smashbox Bows. This is a very beautiful hot red shade which suits all Indian skin tones, and a bright red, and I think this type of red every girl should own. One such type of red lipstick. Very beautiful hot red, really hot red. If you are into hot reds, this could be the best buy, I would say. The next lipstick which I got for free, this is in the shade Audition. This is a very beautiful miniature lipstick. I really love how Smashbox has made miniatures to give it as a free gift to their buyers. This is a very beautiful nude color, a very neutral nude. I'm going to swatch it for you. See, a very beautiful nude color. You can top this color on any darker lipstick and you will get a very beautiful shade out of it. Another very beautiful nude lipstick which I have in the liquid lipstick is from NYX Lip Lingerie Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Bear With Me. If you are into nude lipsticks and you like to top your liquid lipsticks with a gloss, this could be the best gloss you can buy. This is a very beautiful gloss, high shine gloss, and it has a very beautiful chocolatey fragrance to it. I'm going to apply it and you can see the shade. It's a very beautiful gloss. It is a high shine gloss and it tops your lipstick and makes it very, very beautiful. The color itself turns to a very beautiful color when you top it up with this such type of high shine gloss. I'm obsessed with my collection. You are going to see. This is about me. Nudes, pinks, mauves, maroons, reds. I really love collecting lipsticks and applying lipsticks. If you are one of me, let me know in the comments down below. I really love lipsticks and I love to collect lipsticks. apply them, and I also love to know what my friends are also using. So if you're one of me, do let me know in the comments down below. Let's move further on the next lipstick now. I have Pack lipstick. This is in the from the Sweet Sensational collection. This is in the shade Go Getter 17 Go Getter. This is the exact dupe for Smashbox driver seat. If you don't want to buy the bigger version of the Smashbox driver seat lipstick, which is for 2100 rupees, you can anytime go and buy this Pack liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Go Getter, which is only for 475 rupees. I'm going to swatch it. I'm going to swatch it exactly next to driver seat, so you will be able to see. This is the driver seat shade. I'm going to swatch it exactly next to it, so you will know why I say both shades are identical shades. See, both are identical. If you let it dry, it will turn to the same shade. It is exactly the same shade, and when you, trust me, when you apply it on your lips, they look exactly the same shades. Moving on to the next lipstick now. I'm moving on to the last coral lipstick from the liquid lipstick range category. This is the Matte Me Lip Stain Gloss. This is in the shade 5. I always get questions when I apply this shade on my lips, and for today's video also, with the lipstick which I'm wearing is this shade only. So if you are into peach and corally nudes, this could be the favorite shade or a perfect shade for you. I'm going to swatch this for you next to driver seat only. A very beautiful deep peach, exact peach, I would say. A very beautiful shade, and this suits major skin tones. If you are on a budget and if you want to buy a very beautiful peach lipstick, go for Matte Me lipstick in the shade 5. Trust me, you are going to love it. You are not going to regret. I am telling you, trust me. Next shade. Now we are going to move on to crayon lipsticks. So the first lipstick which I have in the crayon collection is from Faces Canada. This is in the shade Read My Lips. I have finished one of this, and this is the second one which I have in my collection. This is 07 Read My Lips. A very beautiful pink shade, as you can see. Rani pink shade. Very beautiful shade and suits all skin tones, I would say. Very beautiful hot Rani pink shade. A story behind this shade I would love to share. This was my best friend Mitali's favorite shade. She used to apply it every time she met me, and one day I asked her, which is the shade I really love your lipstick. She took me to Faces Canada outlet, and she told me to try this shade. I was in love with this shade and I purchased it that same day. I really love this shade. If you haven't tried Faces Canada crayon lipsticks, you should try one of these. You're going to love it, I'm telling you. The next lipstick in the crayon section I have is the next two crayon lipstick which I have are from the same brand. These are from the Color Bar brand. So the first one is in the shade Sabotage 002 Sabotage. This is a very beautiful hot maroonish red shade. I'm going to swatch it for you over here so you can see. A very beautiful maroonish red, very beautiful. This is such type of shade which complements all wedding seasons, I would say. The next beautiful red shade, deep plumish red. This is in the shade Scandalicious 13. This is also a crayon lipstick. I'm going to swatch it for you to see. A very beautiful plumish maroon, and this is a deeper reddish maroon, I would say. If you are into reds, do check out the Faces Canada lipsticks. You are going to love it. The next red lipstick which I have is from Sivana Colors. This is a very local brand. I got it from Irla Alpha. Everybody must be knowing where Alpha is. So this is the red shade. I'm going to swatch it for you. But this is highly pigmented. This is corally red, I would say. Orange, and it has a mixture of undertones of orange to it. Very beautiful. So when you're talking about lipsticks and when you come to the red lipsticks, how can you forget MAC's Ruby Woo? So this is the Ruby Woo from MAC. This is my first buy from MAC lipsticks. You can see the shade. It's very beautiful red shade, a shade which every bride needs to buy, and they should have it in their Tujo collection. I'm going to swatch it for you. A very beautiful deep red shade. I really love this shade, and I am waiting for this shade to apply it on my lips, and I'm going to go for a wedding when I apply this shade. The next red shade which I have in my collection is from Calabar. This is in the shade Hot 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 Calabar. This is the name of the shade. Very beautiful red shade. As you can see, I've applied it here, swatched it for you here. Very beautiful red, I would say. The next red which I have is from Forever 52. This is also a red. This is in the shade 10. Very beautiful red, but this is on a orange. This has an undertone of orange to it. Very beautiful red, I would say. The next red which I have in my collection is from Urban Decay. I got this as a free gift when I had purchased Urban Decay Cosmetics. I had purchased foundation and primer, and on that I got this for free. Very beautiful shade. This is in the shade Mega Matte 714. Yeah, that's the name of the shade. Very beautiful miniature lipstick. You can see the packaging also. Very, very cute packaging. So I'm going to swatch this red also for you. Very beautiful red. Very, very beautiful. This is a pinkish red, but very beautiful on my lips. The next red and the last red in my collection. This is from the Nykaa mini lipsticks, ultra matte mini lipsticks. This is in the shade 29M. This is in the shade 29M. This is Serene Red. I'm going to swatch it for you. Very beautiful red, I would say. You can see I am all about this pinks, reds, maroons, mauves. This is me. This is me, Shazia. This is me, Queen Beliza. I am all about lipsticks. I really love lipsticks. You can see I'm obsessed with my collection, with my own collection. I really love lipsticks. The next lipstick which I have for you is from L'Oreal. This is the Color Reach lipstick. This is in the shade 231 Raspberry. This is a very beautiful deep raspberry shade. I'm going to swatch it for you. I'm going to start from here. Swatch it for you here. Very beautiful raspberry shade. It has undertones of brown to it, but it complements all deeper skin tones. If you are someone who wants to buy one brown shade in your collection, this is the perfect buy, I would say. This is the deepest brown shade, and it consists of undertones of mauve to it. So if you are into such type of shades, you should buy one of this shade. The next shade which I have in the nude category, this is the pinkish nude. This is from Cal. I really love the packaging of this product, and I have used this product so much. This is in the shade 11, Kangana 11. I'm going to swatch it for you. Very beautiful pinkish brown shade, I would say. Very beautiful nudish pinkish brown, I would say. The next lipstick which I have for you is from Maybelline. How can you forget Maybelline liquid lipsticks, and for that matter Bullet lipsticks, the most trusted brand and the most loved brand all over the world. This is in the shade 16 Fearless Purple, and this is from the Loaded Bold collection. A very beautiful purple shade. I have applied this shade so many times, and I have recommended and gave this shade as gifts to some of my cousins also. They love this shade. Very beautiful purple shade, and this suits my skin tone really beautifully. Very beautiful purple. The another color in the same category is from Faces Canada lipstick. This is a very beautiful classic black packaging, magnet packaging. This is in the shade Beamberry 21. This is also a purple shade, but a mauve purple. I'm going to swatch it next to this only for you to see. A very beautiful mauve purple. I'm going to build it up for you, but a very beautiful color, I would say. This is a deeper purple and this is a mauvish purple. Very beautiful shade. If you liked my lipstick collection and if you thoroughly enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.